Hello, in front of me I've got PlayStation 5 and PSVR2. In this video I'll show you how to manage video output. In the beginning, let's press PlayStation button on the controller to go to PSVR2 settings. Enter other settings. Go to video output, and now you can enable or disable output 120Hz video to VR headset. You can enable or disable HDR output, and also go to video output of the screen and video settings for your TV. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.